everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911 here with your organizing tip in about a minute. And the topic I want to talk about in this tip is about having an organized perspective. And what I mean about that is putting more value and focus on experiences instead of stuff. And what you can do is ask yourself what your future self would be saying. Will you be saying, oh, I wish I would have had more stuff, or I wish I would have spent more time looking for items, or will you be saying, I wish I would have spent more time with my family or enjoying hobbies that I love? The choice is yours. What is your focus going to be? On experiences or stuff? Okay? Think about what your future self will be saying. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, poke that subscribe button as well, and ring the bell so you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching.